Checkpoint advantage in data security solution is that we have a very comprehensive offer. We started as a firewall and VPN company protecting the data traveling over the networks. We have a long tradition securing the data stored on laptops and removable media with full disk encryption and media encryption. And we have a lot of tools to prevent data leakage, like DLP solution on the gateway. But I personally believe that always it's best if the solution is preventive, which means the document is secure from the moment of its creation. And this is the case with Checkpoint capsule solution, when one of the components called capsule docs is encrypting the documents, so it's invisible for the legitimate users. They can exchange the data, they can use it like not like it wouldn't be protected, but for unauthorized user, it's impossible to get into the data. So when the document is stored in the cloud, traveling unsecure on the network, it's always protected. So I think it's a beauty of something that is easy to deploy and also easy to use. I would be very shy to predict something, especially in IT and security industry for that long time. On the other hand, we can learn from what we are already seeing. And I think definitely there is a growth of very motivated threats and attacks that are based on the technology that is hard to catch with the current security solution. So signatures are not enough anymore, and we need to focus on finding the malware based on the malicious behavior. So which is what Checkpoint is delivering with solution like threat emulation, which is our sandboxing solution for the malware. Also, one of the trends is that it's much more attractive for attackers to focus on mobile devices. So it's slowly moving from desktop and laptop systems to the most valuable part that we have everyone has in his pocket, which are the smartphones. So it's a very dangerous part, and the security strategy should focus on both traditional parts of the network, but also the new devices from post-PC era, which are the smartphones and tablets. I'm happy to be here for the second time in a row. It's actually a traditional event to be part of for Checkpoint, and I'm impressed how the new media, new technologies are connecting this conference. So it's great to be here because of bringing the right people and hopefully bringing relevant speakers for them with valuable content.